Are you struggling with outdated and inaccurate company data? You're not alone. Many brands face this data dilemma daily. Introducing Datacare, the ultimate cloud-based data cleansing software. Our tool effortlessly checks, cleans, and enriches your CRM data to enhance its quality. With Datacare, you can quickly eliminate duplicates, enrich your entries with up to 20 additional attributes, and synchronize with the latest information from the Dealfront database. What truly sets us apart? Our AI-driven technology ensures seamless data updates, saving you precious time and reducing risks from incomplete information. Join companies like Enablement, which expanded their provider database using our reliable service. Experience how easy data management can be. Upload your company list, sync, cleanse, and export updated data in just 4 simple steps. Don't let flawed data hinder your business. Take charge today and elevate the quality of your B2B data with Datacare. Ready to clean up and enrich your data? Visit our website and get started now.